Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with a quick unboxing video from Bead Box Bargain. So it's a horrible cyclical problem that I have, that every time I film one of these, I go back to their site and see what new they have, and they always have something new. So this one's, maybe it's like the same price order that I normally purchase, but it wasn't like the same amount of stuff because these were more expensive beads. So I got a lot of check because I've been obsessed lately. They sent their card, of course. I'll leave the link below, and then some little mini head pins with a ball in the end. Those are kind of nice. They also have a monthly subscription. I'll leave a link to that below, and you can get $2 off if you enter code Turquoise on your first box. So some of these I only got one of because I didn't know what they would look like, and most of them I only got one of. I don't know what color this is because all of these are kind of similar. So this one, these are huge tulips, and I saw them and I was like, oh, I have to get them. And then by the time I checked out, one of the colors that I wanted to purchase was already gone. So these are, what size are these? These are 5-piece 16 by 11 millimeter Czech press glass tulips. So I think this might be, sorry, I have junk all over my fingers. This might be the chalk ginger pink Picasso color. I only got one of those. They're so gorgeous. I'm just stunned with these shapes that they're coming out with. Oh, they make me happy. I don't know if I'll ever make jewelry again. I just feel like I've just been doing unboxings. This is a 5-piece table cut glass flower beads, jetstone luster. Love those. I don't have a lot of black pressed glass or Czech pressed glass beads, so these are really nice. More tulips. These are in a lighter pink with copper. I don't know what the color is. Oh, this is probably white, pink and white swirl with copper wash. Isn't that pretty? Those are gorgeous. Man, where were these beads when I was selling jewelry? Because these would have sold out. Ugh. As my style back then was definitely vintage inspired. And these would have made some really nice vintage inspired jewelry. I got a table cut set of these anchor beads in yellow, just because I thought that yellow was so fantastic. So now, am I going to put this in my sea theme drawer, or I'm going to put it in my Czech glass drawer? Usually the theme overrides the type of bead, but I think these are actually going to go in with my Czech glass because my yellow drawer is kind of empty. So I thought that was such a cool yellow. Like I said, 2021's coming out with some really cool yellow beads for sure. Next, I have another set of the tulips, and these tulips for 5 pieces. This is why I thought it was a little expensive. $2.29. However, they are 30% off if you're a member of their subscription, their monthly subscription, that you get a monthly coupon for 30% off of your sister store order. So would I buy these 5 pieces for $2.29 in real life without, well, I guess it is real life, but without the 30% off? Maybe, but would I have bought as many as I did? No, not at all. This I think is the Alabaster gray Multiluster. There was like a really nice blue that sold out before I could get to it. As of the time of this filming, I have no idea if they still have these beads. Today is March 12th. I dropped a bead and I went down to the floor to grab it, and Goldie charged me like she thought I was trying to play. She's so cute. All right, so then I have some more of the anchors. So I got 2, I guess. So these must be the jet stone luster, because there's like a stone Picasso feel to them. And then, excuse me, the second set, she's digging in her bed, is the bronze. These are really pretty. So you might notice that I have a piece of felt here today. My regular bead board, I'm in the middle of shooting my my St. Patty's staplets, and there are beads all over my regular bead board. So I grabbed this one really quickly. Okay, and then more tulips. I don't know. Maybe pink opal antique gold wash. Those are gorgeous. They've got a nice luster on them. Wow, those are so pretty. Man, this makes me want to go to Tucson and pick out like coordinating beads or crystals or gemstones to go with them. They're so pretty. There is a Tucson show happening in April, and I'm just trying to decide if I'm going to go or not. I don't know. It depends on if I'll have the vaccine by then, I guess. Okay, so I have been real big on these beads since I saw them on Sam's shop, and they're the leaf beads, but they're different. They're like petals. So this is like a matte green with gold. So I got 2 sets of these. Let's see. Yeah, these are pressed glass petal beads, matte olive gold wash. They're so pretty. Those were 99 cents, so 30% off, so 69 cents for 5 beads, which is not bad for check beads at all. Some people sell them for like 60 cents a bead, and I'm like, I can't do that. Sometimes I can, but not for a petal bead like that. These are 9 by 14 millimeter check press glass top drilled wavy leaf beads, metallic gold, $1.29. I got 2 sets. These are so pretty. I love their metallic beads. It's not paint, it's like a really cool metallic coating. I just love them, and they just feel, they're so smooth, beautiful. 2 sets of those. I also purchased some other leaves. These are just little transparent emerald gold wash leaves. They're green with a gold wash on them. They're so pretty. You guys know I'm obsessed with the leaf beads. I got these red beads. So these were similar to some of the beads that I got in the last box or last order, but these are red, transparent. Thought those were really pretty. This will look nice on a barrette. Okay. Next I got, oh, there's still some stuff in here. Okay. I got these dragonfly beads. Oh, table cut glass dragonfly coin beads, opaque sky blue, Picasso, 2-piece, 17 millimeter, $1.79. So obviously it was 30% off of that. And we've got a Goldie hair in there. Those are really cute. And then I also bought some peace signs. I don't typically use peace signs, but I thought these were really cool. They're jet full apricot wash. I thought they look pretty holographic. Very neat. Those are going to be hoarded for a little while because I haven't seen anything like that in a long time. Very cool. Well, I say in a long time, but I haven't seen anything like that peace sign wise. I know they had some other colors, but I wasn't interested in those. Yeah, these are different. These have a nice like luster on them as well. They're a brown, like ginger color too. Maybe the chalk white lilac gold. Don't know. Probably never know. They have really interesting names, and I don't really like take pictures. I have too many pictures of beads on my phone already. And then oh, they had some mini tulips. So it was funny because my friend Heidi and I were checking out at the same time, and we must have had the same beads in our cart because she got the other tulips there. She got these probably and some blue tulips, and unfortunately the blue tulips sold out. So these were 20-piece mini tulip beads, pink opal antique gold wash. I thought these were really sweet. They're very cute. And then, oh, wow, I ordered a lot of those tulip beads. And then we have these. They've got like a purple going on and another luster. So pretty. so happy. And I kind of like that it's just 5 because it kind of settles my need to have the beads, but I don't have to figure out or feel bad that I bought a huge strand. Not that I ever feel bad about buying beads, please. I am not gonna guilt myself over buying beads. And then we have these 10-piece 16 by 5 millimeter check press glass dagger beads, matte jet vitriol laser etched peacock feather. My goodness, $1.79 for 10 pieces, 30% off of that. I thought those were really cool. I don't really buy a lot of the laser etched stuff, but I thought these were neat. And I love that color. And then last but not least, I have 2 more of the tulips, and one is just, they're both stunning, but one I like a little bit more than the other. So this is the first one that I'll show you. I think this one is the palest pink. This is what it's called, with Pink Wash AB. And that's so fun. It's got that nice bright AB on it. Oh, it's so pretty. And then we have this one, very, very similar, but because it had the AB on it and looked so crazy, I had to get it. Oh my gosh. I really can't tell you which one's which. Honestly, I cannot tell you which one's which. So they had, one was palest pink, Pink Wash AB, and then one is pink and white satin swirl, Pink Wash AB. So I think this is the pink and white satin swirl. But look at that pink metallic, and then we have the AB over that. It's just so yummy. So yummy. I would love to have more of these tulips in different colors too. So like bright orange, bright yellow, bright green, turquoise. Oh my gosh, if we could find some turquoise ones, I'd probably cry a little bit. So anyway, my favorite beads out of this whole haul are these tulips. Surprisingly to me, these peace signs, because I kind of got them just because I like the finish, but I just look, oh, and those together look really cool. And yeah, these gold leaves. I want to make a pretty piece too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for Goldie. Check the comments below, or I'm sorry, not the comments, but the description below if you want information on the Bargain Bead Box or their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, bud. Goldie, you sleeping? Is it bedtime? Are you ignoring me? Are you ignoring your mom? Okay, good night.